Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So right now it is wash day. I took out my knotless box braids and this is what my hair is looking like. Please, disclaimer, excuse my facial expressions and the dancing that's going on. I am listening to some music. I wish you guys could hear it, but you know, with copyright and all that good stuff, you can't. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse my hair off and jam to my music that you guys can't hear. To shampoo, I will be using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Strengthening Shampoo, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get a nice lather going on. Make sure to really apply it to my scalp, and I'm just having too much fun. Apply it to my scalp and down the length of my hair. Since my hair has been in a protective style for a month, I really want to make sure that I am cleansing my scalp thoroughly to remove any of the product buildup that might be there, as well as go ahead and keep on jamming to all my jams. If you guys can read my lips, then good for you. Maybe you guys can guess which song I was listening to at which time. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out and I'll be right back. So for leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna use the Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in from As I Am. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all down my hair. Just squeeze some more on my hair because my hair needs some TLC. So I'm gonna make sure I get it all in there. And then I'm gonna go section by section and I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle it with this detangling brush that I got from Curl Mix. I like this brush a lot. I don't think I've used it to actually style my hair, but I've used it to detangle. And after I finish detangling, it just really defines my curls. Like you guys can see it springing up. So yeah, I might just do a wash and go using that brush. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and twist that section and just put all of my hair into twist after I finish detangling everything. And then once I'm finished detangling everything, I'm gonna take those twists out. Rinse out that leave-in, and then I'm gonna start with my deep conditioner. For deep conditioners, I will be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Monfura oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's their hair mask, and I really do love this deep conditioner. I haven't used it in a while, but this is definitely one of my holy grails. You can never go wrong with this deep conditioner. Then I'm gonna take my deep conditioning cap that I received, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that in for an hour. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair out. You guys are gonna see what it looks like. It is super moisturized and super soft, and once you just start rinsing that out, you can just feel like your hair, it just melts. And I didn't show you guys that, but my hair looks super defined here after I rinsed everything out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, so I just went ahead and rinsed out that deep conditioner that I had in my hair for about an hour. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this down and see how my hair feels. My hair was really dry after taking out those braids, so I hope it's like super moisturized now. It looks look at those curls. Wow. Wow. Looks really good and defined. Wow. All right, so that's it for this video. If you guys know of any other great deep conditioners that are good for moisturizing, make sure you leave a comment in the section down below so I can try those out. Maybe I'll start like a deep conditioning weekly series or something, I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.